In this video, I will discuss with you about the very important feature of SAP HANA, and that's nothing but row and column based data store. So let's start. SAP HANA database supports two type of storage type, row store and column store. Conceptually, a database table is a two-dimensional data structure with cells organizing rows and columns. Whereas a computer memory is organized as a linear sequence. Hence, for storing the table in linear memory, we have two options. One is row store and another is column store. A row store stores a sequence of records that contains the fields of one row in the table. In column store, the entire columns are stored in contiguous memory locations. Row store are designed to efficiently return data for an entire row or record. This matches the common use case where the system is attempting to retrieve information about a particular object. For example, in our case, let's say we want to find sales information in country France. That means we want to fetch the entire record, entire row where the country is France. Now in this case, the database management system will directly go to memory location 01004 and it will start fetching value from this location onward. Since all the field values are present in contiguous memory locations, the read operation would be very fast in this case, since we required very less scanning to find the required information. Now let's see what will happen if we run the same query on column store. We want to fetch all the fields of a particular record. In that case, the DBMS system, the database management system, will first go to memory location 01002. It will fetch value fr from that location. It will continue its scanning till location 01005. Then from this location it will fetch value Land Rover, and again it will continue its scanning to memory location 01008, and from this memory location it will fetch value 200. Now here in this case you can easily observe that we required more time for scanning to find information related to query. Hence, from this example we can conclude that whenever we required information from all the fields from table, in that case we better use table storage type as a row store, because we required less scanning of information as compared to column store. We mostly use row store as a storage type to support transactional processing where all columns need to be retrieved. Row-based systems are not efficient at performing search based on values of few columns. Let's take one example. I want to fetch information where sales value is in between 250 to 350. Let's see how this query will work for row store. To get the matching record for the query, the system has to go through all the memory locations in case of row store, whereas in case of column store System will directly go to memory location 01007 because this is the memory location from where the cells related information is stored. So now in this case, to find the matching record, we have to only scan through these three records. From this example, you can conclude that row-based systems are not efficient at performing search based on values of few columns, whereas column store in this case perform much better. Now let's see what are the different advantages of using storage type as a column store. Usually only limited columns are required. With column store, only the required columns are loaded to memory, and hence we can avoid using up memory with columns that will be never used, and hence we can save memory usage. Also in column store, the data is arranged efficiently with all values of columns appearing one after another. This continuous sequencing of column values is preferred by CPU, and this leads to increase in the speed of data processing operation. With column store, SAP HANA scans columns of data so quickly that additional indexes are usually not required. Column store tables are optimal for parallel processing, as each core is able to work on different columns. The data in the SAP HANA column store tables is automatically compressed. This is done to reduce data footprint. All these are the advantages of using column store table. From ABAP's point of view, it's very important to decide the storage type for table, either to go for column store or row store. Here are some points that will help you to decide whether to choose your table storage type as a column store or row store. Let's start with column store. Whenever you want to perform calculation on individual or small number of columns, then it is better to choose column store. If you find the table is searched based on values of few columns, or the number of columns in that table is more, then you can choose that table as a column store. If you find the table has large number of rows and columnar operations are required, such as aggregation, scan and so on, then you can go for column store. If you want to compress data in your table, then it's better to choose column store as a storage type. Now let's see when to choose storage type as a row store. Whenever the application needs to process only one record at a one time, for such a table, it's better to choose row store. If you find that the applications typically needs to access the complete record, that means all the fields from the table, then in that case, it's better to choose your storage type as a table storage type as a row store. If you don't want to compress your data, if you don't want any aggregation to perform on fields of table, if you don't require fast searching, and if the number of rows in the table are very less, in that case it's better to choose row store as a storage type of table. I hope this point will help you to understand when to choose what type of storage type. See you in next video.